Tired of feeling tired? Low energy? Constant fatigue? You might not just be tired, you might be low on iron. Let's fix that. These high-strength iron tablets from Nutrition Geeks deliver 14 milligrams of iron, the ideal daily dose of vitamin C, B12, and folic acid to combat fatigue and improve absorption and support red blood cell production with 4-month supply. This vegan-friendly, UK-made supplement is designed for real results: better focus, reduced fatigue, and improved daily energy levels for both men and women, and no artificial fillers. More energy, better absorption, smarter nutrition. Try Nutrition Geeks Iron Tablets and feel the difference. Order now in Amazon. Also, check out the other Nutrition Geeks product. Subscribe for more honest supplement reviews and wellness tips. Like this video? Let us know in the comments how it has helped you.